What's up, y'all? You know what time it is. Keenan just felt like cooking. Yeah, rocking my outdoors with Jeff shirt. And I'm outdoors. I got this Char Griller Legacy fired up. And I'm out here checking out a couple new products here. Nice day. And got some burgers. And, just to go ahead and try out some of this charcoal from the Good Charcoal Company. All my unks over there at my crew, Black Smoke Barbecue, you know, they jumping on board. So I was like, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a shot. Let me step on over here and show y'all this. These Crown Royal whiskey barrel chunks. I'm gonna go ahead and drop one of these in here along with the charcoal. And these bad boys are big. You don't need much, and they're wet. I don't know why I don't know if that's whiskey in the bag, but it smells like it too. It smells like Crown Royal. So we're gonna drop a chunk of these in here with this Acacia Wood that this Good Charcoal Company is making their charcoal out of, and we're gonna see what it do with these burgers. Check it out. One thing I want to point out is that this caught on pretty quick. Quicker than any other regular charcoal briquette. So that's pretty interesting. All right, so we rolling. We got the Char Griller Legacy. We got the Good Charcoal Company charcoal. And we got a lot of grease burning off, but that's all right. Let's throw this on here. Throw these burgers on here. You know, you can do these like this. Of course, wash your hands afterwards. Very important. Got these Allegro burgers, just marinated with the Allegro Black Pepper Marinade, and that's it. Because I want to see if that marinade can stand alone on some burgers, which I'm pretty sure it can. So, and also I got my chunk of the Crown Royal whiskey barrel chunk in there. It's right up under here. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop these coals down some, like so. Lower this down, then we're gonna be back in a couple minutes to check them because these burgers is pretty thin and we don't want to dry them out or burn them. Back in a minute. All right, so it's been a few minutes, and let's check out these burgers. They're coming along fine. Coming along fine. Just marinated with the Allegro Black Pepper Marinade. And that's it. And that is it. It's coming along fine. This is a good 73-27 blend. That's a good blend for burgers. Nice and juicy. Not too lean, not too fatty. We're just gonna keep babysitting these bad boys. Since I got, some charcoal to burn and I'm just doing these burgers and I just don't want to waste this new charcoal that I'm testing out, I'm gonna throw these bad boys on there. Now I say breakfast sausages, but we can eat these any time of the day. Okay, so let's see what's up. I noticed this one in the middle was getting done a little quicker. I'm gonna go ahead and start shifting. Some of these over here. Just doing the fizzle. I'm gonna bring this up. This time to start grilling. So I went ahead and moved them linguiças down here. These burgers, they're pretty much done. I had one that got done a little quicker, sitting off here to the side. So I'm gonna throw this bad boy over here to warm up. But the sausage is coming along. I'm gonna go ahead and cheese these bad boys. So quick update. The charcoal is pretty good. I will say that it burned out pretty quick. Um, I mean, they got that cheese melted. I think that's cool. But you know, that's some good Havarti. I cheesed them with Havarti, and those over there is some good old American, and then I left a few uncheesed just so we can taste that marinade. But to finish these longanisas, and I got another whole another round of charcoal fired up, getting ready so I could throw it in there and get these longanisas crisped up. So I'm gonna get another plate to put the plain ones on. But yeah, I got some more charcoal running because this pretty much went out. It does say it burns hot. It burns hotter, so you don't have to use much. And they weren't lying about that. It did burn pretty hot, pretty quick. For this particular setup I don't think I mean, this charcoal is good. Okay, let's just get that straight. It's good charcoal, but this will definitely benefit the gravity loaders, like the 980, which I'm hoping to own one day. But you know, for something like this, see, I'm in here touching on this, so that should let you know that it's not hot. You know, something like this, the Legacy, it, you know, you might have a little problem with the fire going out. It cooking down, the coals getting cooler before you're done. It's a little hotter back here because I got a bulk of the coals, but that Crown Royal whiskey chunk that I put in there, that didn't catch too much from the coals. So I'm getting some coals hot I'm pretty sure I got a little bit of it. You know, I'm pretty sure the burgers got imparted with a little bit of that essence. But I got some more coals burning. I'm gonna dump on here so I can crisp up these sausages. All right, so went on ahead and got a new round charcoal right up over here. And I just did this because over here it went out. It just went out too quick. All right, so these bad boys is coming along, getting a little crisp on them. Get on up over there. And that's that, what you call it, chunk, Crown Royal chunk that decided to catch on fire. But it's all good. It's over there letting off what it need to do. You know, we're just gonna babysit these bad boys. Look at that. See, that's what you want right there. All right, so we done. This is them Filipino Style Longanisas that I threw on there. They go to burgers, cheesed up. They go a few that's not cheese. This is that sample one that I tried right here. And the Allegro Marinade brought it. That brought it. And then I marinated some bacon in the honey garlic. So this little bit was expected, some of the darker pieces because of the sugars in the marinade. But it tastes amazing. You know, I'm gonna be honest. That honey garlic is real. It's there in that bacon. So I got a couple buns toasted up. These are some honey buns. Kroger, man, Kroger be doing it. They got good products. And I'm keeping this simple because this was just a test run to check out the charcoal and the Good Charcoal Company. Charcoal and the Crown Royal whiskey barrel chunks. I'm gonna go ahead and go American right there. See my meat to bun ratio there? You think that's how it should be at all times. And we're gonna go ahead and throw a sausage in there. And with that sausage, we're gonna marry some of this honey garlic marinated bacon. Just gonna throw that, you know. It sticks to the cheese like automatically, like that's what it was supposed to do. No mustard. Yeah. So I decided to end it off where I started. Outside, baby. You know. And I'm hearing a lot of garanimal sounds out here, boy. These hawks and crows are fighting. Burger marinated with Allegro Marinade, Black Pepper Marinade. Bacon marinated with Allegro Marinade, Honey Garlic. The burger was cooked on the Good Company charcoal and with a chunk of the Crown Royal whiskey barrel chunk. And it is good. And then also, I threw on some Filipino Style Longanisas, just because big crazy burgers are a thing, and this is about as crazy as I would get in my age. All right, let's get a bite. I got some of everything, baby. You know, you just take a bite of a good burger and enjoy the scenery. There are all kind of mountains and shit back there. You know, this is good. Nothing clashes. Um, the longanisas I had before. Excuse me. You get a little burger, some bread stuck on your tooth. Longanisas we didn't have plenty of times. Uh, the marinated bacon, I tasted everything separate. That is good. The honey garlic does come through. Keep an eye on it because you know it got sugars on it, so it may burn up. I did expect some darker edges, but they didn't get bitter. So that was the key. Was you know if it's a little dark, as long as it's not bitter, that's good. And the Allegro marinade, that alone on the burger meat did it. I didn't put no salt. I didn't put no seasoning, no extra nothing. It was just Allegro black pepper marinade. I let both of them sit for like 6 hours in the refrigerator. But this bad boy came out good. I can't believe how good it is. It doesn't feel all heavy. It's like you could eat one of these and then probably eat another one tomorrow. I wouldn't recommend eating something like this 2 times in one day. All right, hey, Black Smoke Barbecue, baby. Check it out on Instagram, YouTube. Me and the fellas is getting it going. And shout out to the Good Charcoal Company. Decent product. I'm gonna have to get used to it. It is a different charcoal if you're used to using like King Fruit or briquettes. And then you switch to something like with the lump and all that. You know, for me, that was a learning process. The Crown Royal. And of course, Char Griller. Love the legacy. Keep it pushing, keep it going.